So we are now 1.5 years old. When we started, we had just a couple of months for that financial year. That's when we did a top line of about 5 crores. This last financial year, we've done a top line of 61 crores. So I think it's about a 12x jump in numbers. We started off with our prime focus being only outside India. But in the last financial year, it's been 50-50 India versus outside India. It's a brilliant market. See, the challenge is, Gargi, for most of the large marketplaces like a Flipkart or an Amazon, is it's a huge marketplace. So for a customer looking for a specific product, especially for a high value or a designer product, the curation is a challenge. So how we are different is, we are a very curated marketplace. Secondly, if you're looking for high-end products, you need to see it in the right environment, so to say, which is what an Indian Roots is all about. So in terms of, if you look at the differentiation, my average order value varies between 19,000 to 25,000 rupees. I have done a single largest order online for a shawl by Pranavi Kapoor, which was for 19 lakh rupees. So we are on the other end of the spectrum, so to say. India, again, as we were discussing, payments online is still a challenge. People are very reluctant to do transactions online, although that is now changing. We are seeing a lot of people opting for cards and all. But last mile connectivity is an issue. The biggest challenge that I see is of trust. A lot of customers would want to get the product in hand and then pay, rather than pay upfront and then wait for delivery to happen. We haven't done dynamic pricing so far, but I think at some point we will have to look at it. Since we are just a 1.5-year-old startup, dynamic pricing also entails a lot of investments in technology and a lot of other back-end stuff, which we haven't. But yes, going forward, we will definitely look at dynamic pricing. I started my career in e-commerce in 2009 with a company called FashionAndyou.com, which was flash sales. So flash sales is DNA. And since I don't have the large marketing budgets of other large players, this is one of our ways of acquiring customers.
Okay.
Works very well, by the way. So when we did our first Black Friday sale, we did $1 million, which is about 6 crores plus transactions in one single day. I think for strategy cannot be done by software.
The pricing thing.
It's a lot of course, there's science to it, but it's a lot of our own experience, and then we have our in-house team where we sit and debate and think through certain things. But yes, there's a fair amount of experimentation also. A lot of things work, some things don't work also. Exclusivity, unfortunately, in India doesn't work, especially with designers. We tried initially, when we started off, we did have an exclusive arrangement with a few players. We have realized it doesn't make sense. Now what we work on is we try and pick out the exclusive merchandise first so that it comes on Indian Roots. But exclusive as a concept has not worked in India. I personally don't think it will work in India.